In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your CMS collections into a CSV in Webflow. This is a really useful feature when you want to back up your data, transfer it to another platform, or simply analyze it outside of Webflow. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you have a seamless experience. Let's begin by opening your Webflow app. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll find a navigation menu with various icons. The one we're interested in for this task is the CMS icon. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can quickly access the CMS section by pressing Alt+C on your keyboard. This little trick can save you some time and keep your workflow efficient. Now that you're in the CMS area, you'll see a list of all your CMS collections. These collections are essentially groups of data entries that you've previously set up in Webflow. Take a moment to identify the particular collection you wish to export. It's important to ensure that you're selecting the right set of data, especially if you have multiple collections in your project. Once you've identified the correct CMS collection, go ahead and click on it. With your specific CMS collection selected, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you're going to find an Export button. This is the tool we need to initiate the download of your data. By clicking this Export button, Webflow will generate a CSV file of your entire CMS collection. The CSV format is widely used for data handling and can be opened with software like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any text editor that supports CSV files. This makes your data flexible and a breeze to work with in various applications. Once you've clicked the Export button, the CSV file will begin to download automatically to your computer. You should be able to locate it in your default download folder, unless your browser is set up to prompt you for a download location each time. And that's it! You've successfully exported your CMS collection as a CSV file from Webflow. This straightforward process not only preserves your data, but also gives you the ability to share and manipulate it according to your needs outside of Webflow. Keep in mind that if at any point you run into issues or have further questions about managing your CMS collections, Webflow's support and community forums are excellent resources to explore. So there you have it, a quick and easy method to export your data in just a few clicks. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to check out other guides for more tips and tricks about using Webflow to its full potential.